Today we'll learn about the significance of the number 11.25 and how to identify the price movement on a chart. Look at Amazon stock. When the price stabilized above 11.25, its long upward trend began. Apple's stock also began an upward trend after the price stabilized above 11.25. Tesla stock as well. Now we move on to the most important section of this video. Note the importance of the 11.25 line in supporting the trend. The price moved from $11.25 to $33.75 in a single wave of $22.50. The $22.50 level is considered key to the roadmap for the stock's future. After breaking through the 33.75 line, the next target will be double the 22.5 level, i.e., $45. That's exactly what happened, and it was quick. Based on the above, after crossing this line, the next target will be double 45. Based on the roadmap, the next target is $180 away. The price is currently stable above this line, which acts as a key support level in the roadmap. If the price breaks below this line, it will target the upper line, which is $180 away. But the distance between the two lines is long, so we need to track the price step by step. The most important line we add is the balance line, which lies midway between the two lines. Now the digital reading is closer. A stable price above the lower line of the roadmap leads to the middle line. To be more precise, we can divide the first half of the path into two parts to get closer to the price. If the price successfully breaks through it, it will go directly to the midline. We can also divide the area between the upper target and the midline into two sections to make the digital reading clearer. Each time the price crosses one line, the next upper line becomes the target. However, the general view remains that if the price breaks through a major line, the target is the next major line, step by step through the minor lines, the most important of which is the mid-range line. Don't forget to like and share.